Okay. Hello. Can you see it now?
Hello.
Can you see my screen now? It's
Oh.
loading. It's loading here. Oh, come on.
Yes, I see.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. All right. So, hello, students. Good afternoon. Welcome back again to our class, mathematics class today, 12:30 to 1:20 p.m. during every Thursday. Okay. So don't forget this one and don't be absent. All right. So today we are going to learn about solving word problems on health. Oh, no, on length. That's health on length. So last time we have learned about how to convert units of length from millimeters to centimeters, centimeters, millimeters, something like that. So we have learned last time about conversion. And in continuation, this is the last topic of this chapter about length. So listen carefully so that you will know how to solve word problems. Okay, so in solving word problems class, you just need to understand, analyze the problem line by line, and then decide what correct operations that you're going to use to solve the problem. For example, here, example, the height of the school building is 10 meters. Okay, 10 meters. Right. Then the height of the flagpole on top of the building is 200 centimeters. Question, what is the total height in meters? Okay, so this problem, we need to find out the total height in meters. So we need to convert some units here. All right, so what do you think is the correct operation here to use? Plus, minus, times, or divide? What do you think? Anybody? Before I show you here the solution, based on your understanding of this problem, what is the correct operation? Plus, minus, times, or divide? Hello? Are you listening?
No.
Yeah, what operation? What do you think? Just try. Just guess. Is it plus, minus, times, divide? No idea? Okay, if no idea, so look at here. So problem like this class, read carefully and analyze carefully and look at the question here. What is the total height? So total height, so you need to add, you need to plus. So let's try to separate centimeters and meters. So meters here, centimeters. So first, we go to the first statement here. The height of the school building is 10 meters. Okay. And there's no centimeters here, only meters. And the height of the flagpole is 200 meters. But the question here, find the height in meters. So you need to convert the 200 meters, centimeters to meters. What is the answer here? 200 centimeters, how many meters?
2 meters.
2 meter.
Okay, so you may ask teacher why we use 2. the given number here is 200 because the question is find it in meters, find the height in meters. So you need to convert the 200 centimeters into meters. Okay, so 2 meters, we write here 2 meters in the line of align with the column, align with meters. Okay, and then centimeters, no centimeters, just put 0 there. Then plus, very easy. What is the total height? Total height is
1,200.
centimeters. Okay, 1,200.
1,200. 1,000.
Okay, so in other words, 12 meters only, 1,200 centimeters. But since the question is what is the total height in meters, so our answer should be in meters. So 12 meters. Okay, so the total height is 12 meters. This one, 12 meters, because the question is what is the total height in meters. Understand? Yeah, like that. 12 meters. Okay, next example here. Look at here. Example number 2. Melissa bought 1 meter and 30 centimeters pink cloth. Okay, 1 and 30. And 1 meter and 80 centimeters white cloth to sew her kimono. This is kimono composed of white cloth and pink cloth. Question, what is the total length of the cloth that she bought? Okay, what do you think? Plus, minus, times, divide. Huh? It's the same. It's plus.
Idea.
No idea. What is the total?
Yes.
You add. What is the total? You plus. Plus. You add the length. Okay? You add the length. Okay, so the same steps, right? The numbers in line with the meters and centimeters. So let's go to the first statement here. Melissa bought, what is this, 1 meter and 30 centimeters? This is the length of pink cloth. See here, pink cloth is 1 meter and 30 centimeters, like that. Next here, the next cloth, the white cloth, what is the length? The length of white cloth is 1 meter and 80,
1 meter.
80 centimeters plus. Okay, so what is the total length? Because the question is total length, so you add. You know, class, you can also do addition directly here. You can write like this: 0, 11, carry 1, and 3. 3 meters and 10 centimeters. Okay, but we can also
3 meter.
yes, you can also do like this. Okay, look at here. We separate, we add separately. Meters, 2, centimeters, 110. Okay, and then this 110, you convert this into meters and centimeters. Convert. 1 meter, how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. So you can convert this. Look at this one. So we got already here 1 meter, because 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Then 10. So the same result. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. And then 10 centimeters. So answer is the total length of the cloth that she bought is 3 meters and 10 centimeters, like that. And you can also do the addition directly as what we did a while ago. We can also do like that. Okay, I'm just explaining here in adding separately the centimeters and meters, and you just convert if more than 100 into meters. Okay, that's it. Now let's go to your workbook. I'll give you only 2 examples, then we'll go directly to the word problems in your book. We will do together. We will answer together. Just follow page 140. Everybody get your workbook. Page 140 and 141. There are 4 word problems there. Letter A. Are you ready? Page 140 to 141. Letter A. Boying, can you read letter A problem? Boying, can you read problem A?
Yes, I
Okay,
can read.
thank you. Can you read, please?
The lot is 250 meters away from Tom's house. His office is 100 meters away from the lot. What is the distance from Tom's house to his office?
Okay, thank you. Very good. Thank you for reading it, Boying. Now, this is not a problem. Tom's house. So let me show you it here. Tom's house. It's like a mushroom. This is Tom's house. This is house, okay? House. And then, shall we say, this is the road. Oh, the road. The road. It's not straight. Okay, this is the road. And the distance from Tom's house to the road is 250. Oh. Okay, 250 meters. And then, let's say this is the office. Office of Tom. Office. Let's say office. Okay. And the distance from the road to office is 100 meters. Okay. Look at here. And the question is, what is the distance from Tom's house to his office? What is this distance? Okay. What will you do? Plus, minus, times, divide. Huh? Letter A. A minus? It's plus. Yes, it's plus. Because from here, from Tom's house to his office. So you need to add. Okay. So meters, centimeters. Distance from Tom's house to the road is 250 meters. 250 meters, no centimeters. You can write there 0, 0, because that is the pattern given to the word.
Can I write cm?
Yes, you can write M, cm, no problem. It's okay. It's okay, Nitsa. Okay, next. Road to his office, 100 meters. Oh, very easy, right? Then plus. Oh, like that. Easy as that. And then go to the question distance. Distance from his house to his office is, you add 350 meters. So The distance.
Mm.
Okay, let me erase this one. The
Ding, ding,
distance from Tom's house to his office is
Ding, ding, ding.
350.
This so easy.
Easy? Easy. Very good, Nitsa. Like that. You know, if you understand the problem, it's easy to solve, right? But if you don't understand, it's hard. That's why you need to learn more English so that you can easily
From
solve every problem or word problem in mathematics.
ping, ping,
Okay,
ping.
okay, like that. 350
No.
meters
Easy.
distance. All right, let's go to letter
Good.
B. Let's
So
go to
easy.
letter B. Ready for letter B?
No.
You can take picture here or you can review this
Okay.
video later. Okay?
I have.
Because if I will wait until you finish, it takes time. It will consume our period, our whole time here. Okay, so we will proceed to problem B so that we can solve these 4 problems here. Let's go to B. Nitsa, can you read problem B? Can you read problem B?
Me,
Oh, yes, please read it
the
for us.
school is 1,400 meters away from Ananda's home and
87.
87 meters away from Mac, who lives close to the school, and by how much?
Okay, thank you. Very good. So look at here in this problem. I put already the picture here. Okay, so let's analyze before we solve. This is Amanda's home. Okay, Amanda's home. Okay, so how many meters away from the school? This is the school. 1,400 meters. 1,400 meters. Yes. And then Max home also. This is Max. I will write M. Max home is what? 987 meters away from school. And then go to the question. Who lives closer to the school and by how much? Okay, so what is the right operation to use here? What is the correct? Plus, minus, times, or divide? What do you think? You can guess based on what you have understood here in the problem. What do you think, Salmon? Salmon is very good in math also. What do you think, Salmon? Plus, times, divide, or minus?
Minus lang.
Huh? Minus?
Minus.
Oh, very good. That's correct. Very good. So the correct operation here is subtraction, minus. Why? Because who lives closer to the school and by how much? So you need to get the difference between the distance of Amnanda's home and Max's home. Okay, so minus, very good, that's correct. Let's go step by step. Let's separate meters, centimeters here, and then go to the first line here, which is the distance from Ananda's home to school is 1,400 meters. So there's no centimeters. Just write 00 there. Next is go to Max home. Distance from school to Max home is 987 meters. Minus. Okay, this is minus like that. Okay, it's minus. What is the answer? So it's very obvious here. Max lives closer to the school by.
So I don't finish now. Letter A.
Oh, later. Okay, what's the answer here? Max lives closer to the school by 413 meters. Okay, it's 10 here, 10, 9, borrow becomes 3. So 10 minus 7, 3, 9 minus 8, 1, 3, 13. This 1, 0 becomes 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. So 413 meters. 413 meters. Okay, answer in the form of a sentence based on the question. Max lives closer to the school by 413 meters. Like that. 413 meters. Okay. You understand? Easy? It's easy if you understand the problem.
I don't finish.
Finish. Okay, let's go to letter C. Let's go to letter
I
C.
don't finish, teacher. I don't finish.
No worries, you can review this video later after we finish our class today. Okay, I will send the video, or you can take picture, screenshot, or something like that. You can, yeah, because I cannot wait you. It will consume our time if all of you are not yet finished, then I will wait. Okay, let's go to letter C. Letter C. Let's do it slowly, one by one, step by step. Let's go problem C. Okay, Salmon, can you read letter C problem?
Make both 150 centimeter of cord for
This table.
his table and 11 meter of course of for curtain. What the total length of cord he bought?
Very good. Thank you, Salmon, for reading it. So, do you understand the problem? You understand? So, you need to analyze, understand first the problem before you solve it. Nitsa, can you erase your, let me erase that one. Don't write anything on screen. Just follow, okay? All right, so look at here. Now, what is the correct operation to use here? Max bought 150 centimeters of cloth for his table and 11 meters of cloth for curtains. What was the total length of cloth he bought? What do you think? Plus, minus, times, or divide? Who can guess? Oh,
Plus.
that's correct. Very good. That's correct. It's plus. Why, teacher? Because the question is what was the total? Okay, so we will find out what is the total length. Okay, let's go. So let's do it step by step. Meters, centimeters. First line, the length of the cloth for the table is 150 centimeters. How many meters in 150? And how many centimeters?
Uh, 15 centimeters.
1 meter and 50 centimeters.
Meters.
Okay, good. Next, plus the length of cloth for his curtain, 11 meters, 0, 0, plus.
11
Like
meters.
that, easy as that. Okay,
So easy.
see, the total length is, yeah, Nietzsche, can you erase that one? Thank you. Okay, so 12 meters and 50 centimeters. So the total length of cloth max boat was 12 meters and 50 centimeters. Like that. Okay. You see, right? The total length of cloth was 12 meters and 50 centimeters. Let's go to the next. We have 7 minutes left. Okay, you can take picture if you want, or you can watch the video later. You can review it. Last problem.
I take a photo.
Okay, good. Last problem. I will read it for you. Noon rode his motorcycle for 1,400 meters, and his friend rode 2,000 meters. Question: what is the total distance they rode all together? What do you think? Plus, minus, times, divide. Very easy.
Pass.
Yes. Plus again. Why? Because we need to find out the total meters all together. Okay. The same pattern, just copy the pattern based on the sample there in your book. Meters, let's separate meters, centimeters. So Noon rode this motorcycle for 1,400 meters. There's no centimeters. Just put 0, 0. Then his friend, 2,000 meters plus. The answer is, the total distance is 3,400 meters. Okay, so the total distance the road altogether is 3,400 meters, or 3 kilometers and 400 meters. That 3 kilometers and 400 meters. 3,400 meters. Okay. Finish. Okay. Do you have any question?
I don't finish, teacher.
Okay. Do you have any questions, clarifications? Please, you can ask.
No.
No,
I don't have question.
you don't have question. So, can you tell me that you can solve easily word problem about length? What do you think? Do you understand how to solve it? No answer means
Teacher, this
sure.
homework send
No. Just answer your workbook there. Okay. And just keep it.
don't send.
And we will check. I will check here in school next time. Okay. Just answer your workbook there. Continue. Answer it until you finish every activity and homework that I sent to you. I gave you. Complete it and study it. And yeah, that's the most important thing, to familiarize and master it, study it, so that you can easily solve every problem or whatever problems in our mathematics class. Okay, if no questions, that's all for our lesson this afternoon about solving word problems involving length. And I will just give you a unit test next time. Okay, so we'll finish this first, the coverage for your midterm exam. During our review, we will review this chapter by chapter, and also you will have tests. Okay, so just prepare, study your books, review your lessons there, and then be ready all the time. So that's all, and thank you for coming. Bye bye for now. See you next time.
I don't finish.
See you next
Bye.
time.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time.
Bye, teacher. Really.
Keep safe always. Keep safe always.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.